Hi students, today topic is Introduction to IRC Standards. What is IRC? IRC is nothing but Indian Road Congress, and Indian Road Congress has formed to Indian Road Congress, and the Indian Road Congress has formed to standard specifications and codes and practice for the road bridges with a basic procedure for the design and construction of road bridges in India. And the detailed specification is basic procedure, and collecting is known as the bridge code. What is bridge code is a detailed specification, nothing but basic collection data on some specific points is known as bridge code. In Indian Road Congress, bridge code is basically of eight basically of eight standards is there, and the standards are nothing but general features nothing but selection of site, bridge criteria or procedure, basic procedures. First criteria. Second one is loads and stresses. And third one is cement concrete, that is plain or reinforced. Cement concrete is nothing but in case of plain or other case is reinforced. And another case, brick, stone and block masonry. And these are also masonry, where using cement concrete with the help of ingredient brick, stone, masonry. And next steel road bridges, and next composite constructions, and foundations and substructures and bearings. These are totally eight criteria, nothing but simply say as eight bridge codes. These bridge codes, these points should be taken as designing the bridges, which type of bridges we are preferred. Clear? That one is. And also mainly in case of highway bridge you have to design the basically of specified different types of live loads. Different types of live loads, nothing but live load means moving loads. In Indian Congress, taking some live loads examples, the different categories of loadings, that is live loadings, were first formulated means either inventing or collecting or presenting in 1958, and they have not changed in the subsequent thoroughly revisions of 1964 and 1966 and 2000 year. Subsequently revisions not changed means in particular design codes not having much changes in particular of 1958 to 64, 66 and 2000 year. Clear? The standard IRC load specified in IRC 6 2000 are four categories. Basically, IRC 6 2000 is standard conditions. Loading conditions under four categories. What is four categories? Four categories, nothing but IRC Class A, Indian Standards, IRC Class A and IRC Class AA and IRC Class BB, IRC Class B and IRC Class 70R. These four categories, that one is under four categories to find out the loads, particular of different categories of loads we have find out. Basically, IRC Class A and Class AA and Class B and 70R. These are criteria. And mainly these criteria are divided into either tracked condition or wheeled condition. In the Class A, Class AA, Class B and Class 70R vehicles, and these vehicles are either tracked vehicles or wheeled vehicles. Sometimes both are having a Class A. In case example, Class A is in the case both are having a tracked vehicle and also wheeled vehicle condition. Clear? These are two types of vehicles. That one is tracked vehicles and wheeled vehicles. Okay, go for IRC class A. What is class A? IRC class A type loading consists of a wheel load, only wheel load. A truck with a tires of specified axles. Either this one is wheeled vehicles. Wheeled vehicles means already told. Tracked vehicles, wheeled vehicle. Tracked vehicles means bulldozers, cranes, etc. These types of vehicles called as tracked vehicles. This one is wheel load. Wheel load means wheeled vehicle. Clear? With specified axis, spacing and loads in shown in figure. The heavy duty truck with two trailers transmitted loads from 8 axles varying from a minimum of 27 kilonewtons. 8 axles. Go for image. And this one is IRC class A. IRC class A images. Basically, this one is top view. This one is top view. Clear? This one is bridge. In between the E position to E position, nothing but carriageway. Carriageway means vehicles moving position or vehicle path. Clear? And IRC class A vehicle. This is the plan of the wheel vehicle. Either a wheel vehicle containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 8 wheels is there. Each wheel, clear? 8 axles varying from a minimum of 27 kilonewtons to a maximum of 114 kilonewtons. Clear? Where in that 250 and 500. 250 means where B is the width condition, either in the width or in the length condition. This is 250, and what is W? In the W, nothing but this criteria. That's only 500 mm and 250 mm. Clear? And wheel to wheel gap. Front wheel to back wheel, nothing but 3.2 meters. Front wheel to front wheel gap is 1.1 meters. Clear? And the width of total vehicle, nothing but width of vehicle, nothing but this one. Clear? This one. Either center to center tire distance 1.8 meters. Clear? Basically of each wheel containing shown in figure. That one is elevation criteria. This one is elevation point of view. This one is each wheel 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? This one is elevation. Either top view, nothing but 8 wheels. 27, 27, 27. In the criteria, minimum of 27 kilonewtons to maximum 114. Clear? And maximum of 114 kilonewtons. Clear? Finally, the class A loading is a 554 kilonewtons train of wheeled vehicles on 8 axes. Clear? And next one, the impact factor is also inversely proportional to. Impact factor is another class we will discuss. Clear? Basically of introduction about basic introduction about Indian standard class. Clear? Either IRC class A, that one is wheeled vehicle. Class IRC class A vehicle is containing 8 wheels. 8 wheels, nothing but each vehicles maintain minimum of 27 kilonewtons, and sometimes casing having load in particular situation, either having wheels containing 114 kilonewtons is there. Clear? That one is IRC class A criteria. These criteria are these specifications placed in IRC 6 2000 code book. Clear? Loads and specification conditions. Code book naming. And next, this is an image of IRC class A. Clear? And this one is handrails, rails or parapets. This one is footpath, and F is nothing but simple tire to footpath gap clearance, nothing but. This one is gap to gap in between vehicles. Clear? This distance to this distance is nothing but carriageway width. Clear? Next, IRC. Second one is IRC class AA vehicles. A vehicles nothing but either tracked vehicle or wheeled vehicle. Clear? IRC class AA loading. In this case, two different types of wheels are specified under this category grouped as tracked and wheeled vehicles. Clear? Basically of previously IRC class A loading nothing but only wheeled vehicles, clear, wheels, axles. And in this IRC class AA loadings nothing but two types, that is tracked vehicles and wheeled vehicles, clear. IRC class AA tracked vehicles, clear, basically examples of an army tank, clear. ఇందాక చెప్పున్నామండి మనం already told that in either in that bulldozers, cranes, specifically army tanks, clear, of 700 kilonewtons and wheeled vehicle, heavy duty army truck of 400 kilonewtons as shown in figure. Basically IRC class AA, IRC class AA loading, there are two types of vehicles, that is tracked and wheeled vehicles, clear. And these tracked vehicles nothing but example of, taking our example is army tank nothing but 700 kilonewtons and wheeled vehicle, example of wheeled vehicle nothing but heavy duty army truck of 400 kilonewtons. These loadings are in figure, shown in figure, clear. This one is army tank. This one is elevation or side view point of view. This one is back view. This one is footpath or pedestrian. This one is handrail. This one is carriageway width. These two are tracks of a tracked vehicle, clear, and shown in deeply, clear. This one is wheeled vehicles, IRC class AA wheeled vehicles. Similar to this point of view, same content, clear. That is nothing but in-depth point of view, either side view or elevation point of view. Side view of the position is 3.26 meters, and overall performance of the and overall distance of the vehicle nothing but 7.2 meters. Side view position, clear. Okay. This is a IRC standard for the class AA vehicle, clear. That one is. Next, third one is IRC class B. This is one type of vehicle loads. IRC class B loading. Class B type of loading is similar to the class A. Class A is nothing but, already told that only wheel vehicles nothing but axles are comparatively less. The axle loads of class B are a 332 kilonewtons. A train of wheeled vehicles on train of wheeled vehicles on 8 axles shown in figure. This type of load is adapted for temporary structures and timber bridges. Combination of different types of live loads are recommended for the design bridges in cause. Particular cause means in the paragraph of IRC 6 2000 code book. Carriageway live load combination recommended for the design is compiled in table. Basic criteria or any information to collecting in code book. Clearly, these code books are allowed into the examination hall. Clear information in IRC code book 6 2000. Clear. Example of IRC class A and class B vehicles, basic example point of view, clear. Same already told in class A vehicle, similar to the class B, clear, same. Okay. And another one is class 70R. That one is vehicle load is nothing but class 70R vehicle, clear. And IRC class 70R loading condition. What is a 70R loading? 70R loading nothing but consists of three types of vehicles: tracked vehicle, wheeled vehicle. Wheeled vehicle is a train of vehicles on 7 axles with total load of 1000 kilonewtons. Okay, clear. Either first two one is already known. This one, clear. IRC 70R loading consists of the following three types of vehicles: tracked vehicle nothing but army tank, and a wheeled vehicle is a army truck. These two are example already told in IRC class AA, clear. And a wheeled vehicle in the train condition, wheels 7 axis with total load of 1000 kilonewtons. 7 wheels, that one is axis. Examples of IRC class A and class B. That one is also 8 axis. Clear? The truck vehicle is somewhat similar to the class AA. Already told that in a tracked vehicle is in class AA. Expect that the contact length of the track is 4.87. Contact length of track is 4.87. 4.87 nothing but clear 3.6 and similar to this one. Clear E distance, that is 4.7. Okay. 4.87 meters. The nose to tail length of the vehicle is 7 point. Nose to tail length. Overall length of the vehicle, that one is army tank vehicle, is 7.2 meters. Clear? That is class AA. Already told that. Clear? 7.92 meters, and the specified minimum spacing between the successive vehicle is 30 meters. Clear? Minimum spacing between the successive vehicle is 30 meters. Okay. The wheel vehicle is 15.22 meters long and has a 7 axis with a loads totaling of 1000 kilonewtons. Okay. This one is tracked, and this one is axles point of view. Axles 7 are basic, two types, another three type is there, that is in okay. Clear? And the biaxial type loading with 4 wheels totally 400 kilometers also specified. The details of IRC class 70 are loading vehicles are, these are the examples of tracked. Clear? Tracked nothing but 4.87, already in 4.87. Contact length means distance of the track, that is 4.87 meters. And also axis condition. These are the four types of IRC class of vehicle loads. Clear? What are they? IRC class A and class AA and class B, class 70 are very important one. These four types. Any problem given that, assuming, sometimes in case of assuming nothing but we are taken that similarly either both class AA vehicle, both either in that tracked vehicle condition, wheel vehicle nothing but axis condition. Basically assumption in not given the problem, taken the load case is different criteria of class A vehicles. Basic assumption is class AA in not given in problem. When given problem, the different types of categories of class A, class AA, class B, class 70 are vehicles. We take that minimum data about these criterias and find out the problems. Okay. Thank you.